Hello and welcome to this week's weekly Forex watch list. On our watch list this week is Euro Kiwi first of all with a bullish bias. Reason being, as you can see, it's a nice inverse head and shoulders and turning into a long, very long term fallen wedge pattern here. These patterns we go over in more detail within our video series on our website at www.TotalMarketTraders.com, and you can find out a bit more about those patterns and how we actually use them. So as you can see here, the pattern is still forming on this inverse head and shoulders, and right at the minute we're not really having much of a bias. It's more neutral to bullish, but longer term it is more bullish. But apart from that, not much happening this week. Next is Aussie dollar. So let's take a quick look. Aussie dollar, this one has caught our interest a bit more. It is in a zone of 77 cents to 77.5. This is a nice resistance support area. As you can see back here, it was tested as a sort of zone. It's been tested more as resistance in the more recent past, and price has decelerated quite a bit along here and potentially looking for a bearish move downwards to at least the 50 EMA, if not further. An extra addition of confidence, something we also go over in our video series. One of our video series is RSI and how to use them properly. As you can see here, the RSI is overbought, so we can stack that against this potential bias. And that's about it for Aussie dollar. Let's move on to the final one, Kiwi Swiss. Kiwi Swiss, we've made a couple of videos before about it. If you look back in previous videos, we're still quite bearish upon this pair. It's kind of an inverse to Euro Kiwi, although I like this one more. Reason being is this nice rising wedge pattern. Again, we go over these patterns in our video series, and the confluence is very nice on this one. There's at least three. There's one we're going to keep an eye on, definitely, to have a more bearish bias upon. But apart from that, that is it really for this week. Not very much. Nice short and simple one. So hopefully this was some help, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye.